Here's Lyle. He's got hiccups. He loves to move all of his arms and hands a whole lot. You're so good at that, little guy. You're really trying to go somewhere.